You have some English review questions to do on Rediger. I'm going to show you how to get there. I'm on the GA website. You click Rediger, log in with your username and password. Your home screen is going to look a little bit different than mine. You're going to have all your different classes here and grades showing. But I didn't want to get on somebody's account and show grades on YouTube, so I'm using my account. You're going to click on English. So we're on the English page. We're going to go down past assignments to where it says class quizzes. And this is the activity you're going to be doing. Now I believe you'll just click on it. For me, I need to pull up like a sample. When it asks you to select the category, you click on the drop-down box, you click English Review. And then the questions are right there. Mine shows the answer, so I don't want to go any farther than that. That's how you find the English Review page. I want you to complete this English Review page on Wednesday.